So, if you're anything like me, you've spent the last few months brewing loads of beers and you've got loads of bottles, but you can't remember what the hell they are or what you've done. Well, here's a good trick to get them labelled up and on display so you never mix your beers up again. Welcome back, ladies and gents. Yeah, I'm still brewing, and today I'm doing a video on labelling your beers. First thing you want to do, head over to beerlabelizer.com. I'll put a link in the description so you know. There's other websites out there, but this is the one I've used. They've got some free labels that you can print off on your own home computer. I've done mine on just regular paper. So I've got a Juicy Session IPA that I'm going to be labelling up. And I've got a Golden Stag Summer Ale that I also want to be labelling up, because the idea is I keep these till Christmas, but by that time I'm going to forget what's what. So, a little trick I've heard about and we're going to be experimenting with today is milk. So I've basically got saucer, some standard milk. I don't know if there's any difference in what you use, but I've got semi-skimmed, so that's what I'm going to be using. Oops. Never mind. And most importantly, I've got some beers. So, this is one of the Juicy Session IPAs I've done by Mangrove Jacks. If you've not tried it and you like fruit beers, give it a go. It's a really nice beer. And I've printed off the label. And all I'm going to do, wipe off the surface of your bottle, take that, quick dip in the milk, slap it on. Try and level it up before it gets too wet. And use a tea towel just to sponge off any excess. Now it sets pretty quick. When I say it sets, as in the label will get wet, and if you do try and move it, you're going to start tearing it up. But there you go. Slightly off. Let's have another go. That's one. Juicy Session label. Dip in the milk. Slap it on. Got quite a lot on the surface there. Use my tea towel. To be honest, I don't think that's much straighter, but there you go. Juicy Session IPA, bottled, labelled, and ready to be stored for winter. So I've also got a Golden Stag Summer Ale. This is from the Festival kit. Again, it's a really nice beer. If you've not tried it, give it a go. Dip it in the milk. Get it somewhat in position before you really press it down. Damp off with a tea towel. Make sure there's no wrinkles. And there you go. Summer Stag Ale. Labelled up, ready to go. It is that easy. I've heard good things about the milk product. About using milk. You know, you might worry about it smelling or anything like that, but because of the amount you're actually using, it doesn't do that. It doesn't give a big moulding effect or anything like that. And the other good thing is, when you finish with them, apparently just a bit of warm water and they'll be coming off. So I'll catch you after Christmas once I've sucked all these beers, and we'll see how easy it is to get these labels off. But should be good. Good hint, good trick. Have a go yourself. Let me know how you get on. I'm just finishing off labelling up these bottles, but I thought it might be worth a mention. That beerlabelizer.com that I mentioned, they also offer a postal service, so they will print you out the labels that you've designed. You can edit it, text, font, everything like that. And they will print it off in a vinyl sticker as well, so you can use that vinyl sticker. I've not tried it. It will cost you a couple of quid. I'm not sure how much. I don't know what they're like for getting on or off either. But yeah, there's another option. So print it out on plain paper, stick it on with a bit of milk. Happy days. Or go ahead and join up to the website and print off your vinyl labels as well. And there we go. Juicy Session IPA, brewed in Yorkshire by Still Brewing, 5% volume, 500ml bottle. You can also do a back label as well. I did think about it for maybe just putting on the date of when I brewed it or maybe when I bottled it, but I'm not that bothered. Looks nice, it's going to get sucked. Happy days. But don't forget to like and subscribe because that really does help the channel grow, and I will be doing a few videos where I believe you have to be a subscriber to be able to get to them. Certainly when I be doing things with my sugar wash, so they will be for subscribers only, so make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and join us again on Still Brewing.